What's up guys, Super Geek here, and today I'm going to tell you about this Nothing launcher. It's a really special launcher, and let me tell you why it's special. It's because it's from a smartphone that is going to be released very soon. It's called Nothing Phone 1 and it's from a brand called Nothing, which is founded by Carl P. Recently, Carl P separated its ways from OnePlus and created its own brand called Nothing. And last year they released their Nothing Ear 1, which is the true wireless earphones. This year, Carl P announced the Nothing Phone 1, which is going to be the first smartphone ever released under Nothing branding. Carl P also announced that this smartphone is going to be running on Nothing OS, which is an Android-based operating system for Nothing smartphones. And Carl P promised that Nothing OS is going to give you the best Android experience ever, and it also includes an IoT system. So there are going to be more products from Nothing that is going to use this IoT system. And also at the event, Carl P announced that they're going to release this Nothing launcher for other Android smartphones to taste the Nothing OS. And yesterday the beta version of Nothing launcher has been launched. Right now it's only available for Galaxy S21 series, S22 series, Pixel 5 series and Pixel 6 series smartphones. But if you do not own a supported smartphone, then don't worry, I'm going to tell you how you can install Nothing launcher on your unsupported device right now and how to use the Nothing launcher at its best. So first, let me tell you how you can install it on your Android smartphone. If you own a supported device, you can just go to Play Store, search for Nothing launcher, and you will see the Nothing launcher beta in the search result, and you can install it from there. I'm leaving a link in the description that's going to redirect you directly to the Play Store page of Nothing launcher. If you own a supported device, you can use that link and install it on your smartphone. But if you do not own one of those supported smartphones, then let me tell you how you can install it on your smartphone now. Alright, so the first thing that you have to do is open a browser, go to supergeekweb.com, open this article right here, and there's going to be a download link right here. Just click on this link and you will be able to download the APK file. The link to that article is in the description. You can go ahead and check that out. So once you download that APK file, all you have to do is open a file manager app, open the APK file that you have downloaded, click on continue, click on update. It's showing me update because I've already installed it. It's going to show you install. Just click on that button and it's going to be installed very soon. Once it's done, just click on done and go to home screen. Okay, let me tell you, if you own a smartphone with stock Android experience like mine, that you won't be able to see that pop-up to select the default launcher. For that, what you have to do is go to settings, go to apps, go to default apps, then go to home app and select Nothing launcher from here. Otherwise it won't show you that pop-up to select the default launcher. So once you do that, go to home screen. So there you go, this is the Nothing launcher, and to be very honest, it looks really good. It got some features that no other launcher has, so I'm going to tell you all about those. So first thing that I have to tell you is that this launcher is in its beta stage, but still it got no glitches, no crashes whatsoever. Everything is working. Every setting that it got is working, and let me tell you guys, you can use it for your daily driving if you want. And as you can see, the launcher is quite stock. This is your app drawer and it's quite near to stock, just like the Oxygen OS from OnePlus. Alright, so I cleared my Nothing launcher home screen so I can show you all the features of it. So as you can see, this is your app drawer, this is your home screen, and this is your dock where you can add some apps. Above the dock, you get this Google search bar widget, which is there, you cannot remove that, and you get this much of home screen space. Now I'm going to show you some features. So this launcher comes with 3 widgets. I'm going to show you that. Once you tap and hold, go to widgets and scroll, and as you can see there are 3 widgets in a Nothing launcher. This one is the analog widget, this one is the digital clock widget, and this one is the weather. So let me just pick one of them and put it on the home screen. See, as you can see, it looks really good. It shows you the date on the top and an analog clock at the bottom. So it's really good. You can resize it and it looks like that when you make it smaller. Let's just check out the other ones too. So this one is a digital clock, and you get 2 styling, one with a solid background, one with a transparent background. I'm gonna go with transparent, and it looks pretty weird. Alright, so you can change the size of this widget too. Let me just change it to solid background, and now it looks good. So as you can see, alright, so the spacing is a bit weird. Let me just make them smaller. Alright, okay. Alright, so let's check out the weather widget now. So this one is the weather widget. If you give it your location, it's going to show the weather. As you can see, the weather icons are Nothing font themed, and it looks good. It looks clean and it looks really good. Okay, now I'm going to show you some more features of it. So let me just remove one of, oh wait, let me just remove these widgets real quick, and let's keep this one. Alright, so now I'm going to show you some really cool features that no other launcher has right now. So what you can do is just put some apps on the home screen. Alright, I got, okay, so these are sufficient apps. So as you can see, if you tap and hold on this icon on the home screen, you get this feature right here, which will let you expand that icon, and it looks really cool. You can expand more icons as well. See? Alright, so there's no more room. So as you can see, it looks really good. I don't know if you want big icons on your home screen, you can do that. There's one more thing that I'm going to show you. If I put all these icons in a folder, you can minimize or maximize your folder on the home screen as well, which looks really good. The only problem is that it does not work just like the app library on iOS. So all the bigger icons, you can see here, you can launch them directly, like the flip car right here. But if you tap on that grid, it will open your folder. So it's not going to show you the most used apps on the top in this folder. I really would like to see that feature here, but it's not available right now. Maybe they'll add it in the future. So I think these are all the features. Wait, let me just show you the settings real quick. There are not much settings. These notification dots, and what you can do is enable notifications, and it will show you a dot on the icon to tell you that it got a notification. And there's this feature which you can enable disable to add new apps on the home screen or not. Then there's this about, so you can join the Discord, you can email them. I don't know what for, but you can do that. You can check privacy policy, and as you can see, it shows Nothing Launcher version 1.0.0. It's in beta right now. Okay, one more thing is that if you open tooltip menu by tapping and holding on any icon, it shows you this square-ish tooltip menu, and I think this is going to be the theme for the Nothing OS. Everything is going to be squarish. Every UI part is going to be squarish rather than roundish, as you can see on this Android 12 right now. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this video useful, and if you do, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.